Mga mami, makinig kayo. Lalo dyan sa mga may mga anak na mahilig sa social media, yung mga minor yung anak, bantayan nyo yung account ng mga anak nyo. Hanggat maaari, i-private nyo siya kagaya ng ginagawa ko sa mga account ng anak ko. Kung nakikita nyo si Ma Salvador din, di ba? Ayaw niya i-public yung anak niya. Kasi eto, tingnan nyo yung nangyari kay Queen Hera Glow. Tingnan nyo.
Iwasan ko talaga ito. Tanong ka nun. Tangin na.
Grabe.
Ang bata pa ng anak ko mo, nakikinan niyo. Please, mami, stop posting videos or kahit picture ng anak niyo. Nakita ko yung video ng anak ko, ng picture ng anak ko nasa website. Binibenta. Oh my God. Nakay na mga demonyo kayo. May kamitaw ka. Mami, stop posting kahit picture or video ng anak ko. Anak niyo. Oh my God, di ko kinaya. Ipapahanap ko kayo. Tangina niyo.
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous.
Meron akong post last month about sa AI. Ito yung AI version ng anak niyang tumanda na. Sinasabi niya na, please secure my data. Diba? Kung sa ating mga nanay, isa itong memory. Para sa mga anak natin, ito yung awareness. Kasi iwasan natin na maging ganito yung future ng mga anak natin. Panoorin niyo to.
Hey Mom, hey Dad. It's me, Ella. Well, a digital version of me. Just a bit older. Amazing what technology can do these days, isn't it? All you need are a couple of pictures, like the ones you share on social media, where they can be taken and used by everybody. I know for you these pictures are just memories, but for others, they are data. And for me, maybe the beginning of a horrible future. A future where my identity can be stolen just like that. Where I can go to prison for things that I would never do. Imagine my credit score being destroyed, Dad. Or my voice copied to scam you, Mom.
Mom, I'm in trouble. I need you to send me money, please.
I don't want to become a meme, humiliated by everyone at school. And I certainly don't want this. What you share online is like a digital footprint that will follow me around for the rest of my life. I'm telling you this because I know you love me and would never do anything to harm me. So please, Mom, please, Dad, protect my virtual privacy.
Mark my words, AI is far more dangerous.